Hey, it's Acoustic Paint.
I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Elizabeth.
And today we are going to be trying again to make slime.
So last time we did this video, we were watching other people's slime videos. We overactivated our slime. I'm sure everyone who watched this and knows about slime was just cringing while we were making it.
I know, like, it was okay. It was just a very stiff slime, so we need to make sticky, stretchy slime. First step says, first measure 1/2 cup of glue imported. So we just went to Staples and I got a 50-cent off-brand glue. So the whole thing goes into this.
And we're making it at the same time this time, so we
can
hang out and talk. This is fun.
Okay, next. It says add 1/2 cup of water to the mix. There we go. That's a 1/2 cup. The rest should be another half. So
all right.
I spilled some, but whatever.
Let's dump it in. Ready?
I'm gonna mix.
Oh, that's a good idea.
While I pour.
I look like I have so much, but it's just because my bowl is narrower.
Yeah, I'm mixing with a fork. Maybe that'll help at all. I don't know.
You can borrow my.
That looks like curdled cheese. Okay, I'm good. Okay, next. It's time to add color and glitter. Okay, we're not doing that next. So next step. Okay, this is the important part. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. Go ahead. Next is 1 tablespoon of saline solution. I'm going to go put mine in kind of slowly because I really want to have this turn out. And the rest goes in. I don't know, I might have to add more if this doesn't work. Here, you can go ahead and add yours. I'm gonna do that. Oh, you put it all in at once? Yours might, I don't know. Oh, you're splashing it.
That's okay, we're outside.
Still, I'm not the one.
It says to stir fast.
Where?
You need to stir fast, like you are trying to really whip up something.
I don't want to overactivate this, but
I'm
then
just gonna put in more baking soda.
I mean, I guess it's a thickener. Oh my gosh, that's a lot more.
Oh, it's getting thicker, sort of. Or maybe it's just my imagination. Take it out. It's time to pick it up. Okay, should I pick it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think the table's relatively clean.
I'm gonna mix it just a little more.
Mine needs more mixing because it's not pulling away. Definitely ready, but don't over knead it.
What?
Oh, too gluey.
What is this? Wait.
Just mix with your hands now. Just ditch the spoon and mix with your hands.
Okay.
It'll work, trust me.
Farewell, spoon. Oh, I'm feeling it. Okay.
You'll get some sort of, oh my gosh, do not dump that over this edge of this table.
What? This is so sticky. Slime isn't supposed to be like this.
You just have to keep mixing it. I'm still mixing mine, but I feel like it needs something more. The baking soda really helps, so I'm gonna put some more of that in. All right.
Mine's kind of.
It's gonna come together.
Kind of clicky. Okay.
Okay, here comes more slime. Oh my gosh. Okay, should I move to hands?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, mine is this feels so much better than our last slime.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look.
Everyone who's ever made slime is probably like, oh my gosh.
Finally, they're getting something right.
This feels so cool. It's not sticking to my hand. Oh gosh, no, it's all over the table. No. Hold on.
I don't know the best way to mix this. Slime. Oh, now, you wrap it around. Oh, and now we have to actually do the slime finger thing.
The what? You pull hard. Does yours break if you pull hard? No, mine is overactivated.
I love this stuff. I'm so happy it turned out.
I might add some water.
Oh,
no!
That is way too much. Dump some out. Hurry, dump some out. Dump a lot of it out. Dump all of it out. Okay, now try it next. Oh, you're gonna ruin your slime, I know. I mean, it was wonderful.
I fixed my slime!
Kind of.
No, I did. Look.
Nice.
Oh, I fixed it!
And then around and around and around and around. Good. No, it's not Cheerios.
Yeah.
What could we call this? Just milk slime.
No, it's just regular slime.
No,
this
it's
is like
slime.
the epitome of slime. Slime isn't something to be looked at and locked away.
Well, sometimes it is. Okay, well, that's all for this video. Be sure.
Can I try and do yours?
Okay, wait, let me. Don't cross-contaminate slimes.
Wow, yours is really.
I know, it's
listen to mine.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications if you want to be alerted each time we put us a new video. And leave a comment. Of course, this stuff is much better, but like, how would you rate this if you like are professional slimers?
If you're a slime connoisseur.
Yeah, and you know what all this stuff is. How would you rate our milk slime and ice cream slime? Yeah.
I feel like ice cream slime should have like sprinkles in it.
Oh yeah, for sure, but whatever.
Look at that slime swirl. So have a fabulous day. Bye. You just like launched a lot across the. I did. Bye. Have a fabulous day.